Welcome to this Getting Started guide to creating progress ring charts in Excel using the Airt Magic add-in. We're going to add a chart here to show the progress of an R&D project. Once you've installed Airt Magic, just click on the Airt menu option. Select the cell where you want the chart and data. The chart requires a block of cells, 6 columns by 9 rows. Click on the ring option. If you want the ring to change colour from red to amber to green based on the value, then select whether you want higher values to be red or green. Let's create a chart where higher values will be shown as green. The add-in creates the chart and data. If you change the amount figure, the chart changes. Obviously you can link that amount to another cell if you like. To change the ranges for the red, amber and green sections, just amend the upper percentages as you wish. Finally, just update the title and comment. You can now copy the chart to anywhere else in your workbook. Check back for more in-depth instructions for the ring chart in Airt Magic. Thanks for watching. Please check our other videos and download the free trial of Airt Magic if you haven't already done so.